to show you how to do just a little tied bow. And I wanted to do this video because I have been making bows for about 6 years and never could make those little simple bows. So I always just made one with a needle and thread. So what I used to do is I used to tie just like I would tying my shoe. I'd go around and then I would come through and I'd go like that, and that's kind of how my bow would be. So you do it just like you're tying your shoe, except for instead of going around this way, you go around that way. You go backwards and then finish it up. And then, as you can see, you have a much cuter bow. And everything goes the right way. And there's a cute little knot in the middle. I'll show you again. And then go backwards. Go through the hole. It works great for tying on dresses, just doing a little bow for a little newborn head, for scrapbooking, just a quick bow.